Hey guys, this is Adrian with Crypto 5G coming to you with another video. Today is Sunday, July 9th, 6 p.m. Sunday night, Pacific time, 2023, guys. I've never done a video on Sunday. This is my first video. I just opened my computer, was looking at my BingX account. That's where the account that I used to trade, and was looking at the price of Bitcoin hitting close to 30,000. I'm like, oh, maybe it's time for a good trade on this bounce. And before I proceed, let me tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here giving financial advice. I'm just showing you guys my journey in crypto. So don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, guys? Remember that crypto and DeFi is risky. So, anyways, what I did, I was here. I'm like, oh man. So it started coming down. And what I did, I opened the trade. You see here the date 7/9. I opened the trade at 5:12 p.m. and I was in it for like 10 minutes maybe. And I opened a long position. I opened it at 30,039 and it went under 30. I'm like, if it bounces back, I'm gonna jump in. It did, so I jumped in, and then I put a 5% take profit. I did a long. I did 174 USDT with 10x leverage, and I made 5%, 4.99. Okay, and it was triggered 34. It was like 22 minutes. It took 22 minutes to trigger, which was awesome. So I thought, you know what, and it went back up, and I thought maybe it's gonna come down again, and I was kind of tracking it. I'm like, if it hits 30,000 again, I'm gonna catch one live here for the people, to see what I'm doing. Um, so my focus is to get 5% a day. I know that there's other YouTuber traders that I follow that they say that if you're risking 100, you want to make 200 or 300. For me, right now, I'm focused on 5%. Okay, I'm trying to beat PGV or Novatech and all these people that where I'm invested in, you know. So, anyways, so this is what I use. I usually use TradingView and I use the 1 day chart. Every candle is 1 day, and I try to, all these blue lines are my resistance on the top and my support at the bottom, and these two trade lines, going like up and down. These are for me to try to figure out if the market is trending up or down, and I just create my own, So I see here that the trend is kind of going down because if not, they would be going up, but they're coming down. And these last days here, we had a red day, then a lower low, another lower low, another lower low, kind of par here, a little bit lower, then a lower and lower. So the trend is lower, but this is a 1 day candle. So within the day, it moves up and down. But at least I have an idea of what the trend is showing me that it's going down, so I can be careful, you know. And I also use coin coindesk.com, and I have this little index. Let me refresh. I have this little index that I use. It's new. I don't really, just to get an idea. It's based off a few cryptos, and I kind of follow the 1 hour to see if it's going up or down, and just to get an idea for what's going on at the moment. Because let's say if I'm getting close to getting in at 30,000, and this is green, and maybe my charts are telling me that they're going green on the 15 minutes. I'm like, okay, so I take a long position. But I usually track the 15-minute here, and I always do the 1 hour. Every candle's an hour, and I just see where the trend. You see how the trend is lower. So if I'm buying, I'm believing it's going to go up. I have to make sure I buy them at the bottom because I don't want to buy here at the top when the trend is going lower. Actually, I want to sell at the top. Okay, guys. So just to get a feel, that's what I do, and I use a 15 minute to kind of track once I'm in my trade to see what it's doing, and I use the 1 minute. I know it's a lot of stuff, but that's how I do it. And I try to keep it simple, guys. I don't like it too complicated. And I use just the 1 minute to track, because every candle is a minute. It's just moving up and down, new candles every minute. So I use this to kind of enter my position. Because if I see that's going down, 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 I want to make sure that, you know, up to the last minute, I'm going in at the best price possible. So I could either use the trigger, which sets it up automatically, or I could just follow it. I'm a new trader, so I'm just following it, you know. But sometimes you could be just watching for an hour, 2 hours, and nothing happens. And I never try to rush anything. I usually just try to chill and relax. If I take a trade, good. If I don't, well, I don't. I'm not trying to force anything because I think that when you force something, that's when you kind of lose. Like I said, I made a trade, 5% for the day. I beat Novatech and PGV together. So I'm gonna start my own trading fund, heck, and do this for real. Just kidding, guys. I'm not starting anything new. But anyways, I just thought I'd catch a video and post it here on the live trade, but it doesn't want to come down to the 30,000. At least not now. It'll probably take. It's kind of trending here, so that's why I have my lines marked. It's on a low trend, but it stays within this range. Here, try to break my white line, then it try to break this one too, and it just came back. Then it tried to break it up. So right here it's getting tight. We're getting squeezed a little bit, but we have a really strong support of 30,000. So once it gets here, I'm curious to see if it's gonna break up or is it gonna break. I'm thinking I don't know. I think it might break down unless we get more volume. And it's Sunday, so maybe Monday in other parts of the world already. But we'll see what happens, guys. This is an amazing area. 30,000. Is it gonna break lower or up? I don't know. The trend is lower. I think it's gonna come down lower. According to what I see here on my dailies, the trend is lower. And you have to follow the trend. But it could just boop. Look at this trend here. It's talking about making money. Each candle is 1 day, guys. Just but look at this low. Here, down, then up, then down, up, down, 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 then down, and here just from 24 it bounced all the way to 30,000, guys. That is amazing. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in 1 week. That is crazy. And now we're in this range here. But it's coming lower. I don't know if it's gonna bounce or not. So we'll see, guys. Hopefully we get some good bounces. But it's over 30,100. So I'm gonna finish up my video, guys. So I just wanna, show you guys what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do like my video, like, and subscribe to my channel. Help me, guys, to improve the algorithm to YouTube, and I'll be posting more videos for sure. This starting week is gonna be a full week, so I'm gonna trade Monday through Friday, and maybe even Saturday. Who knows? We'll see how it goes, guys. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and take care. Enjoy your Sunday.